Welcome back to Bike Rush, where we break down the latest motorcycles shaping the future of riding. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a midweight adventure machine designed to bridge serious off-road ability with everyday touring comfort. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L continues Honda's CRF adventure lineage with a sharper focus on balance. Positioned between lightweight dual sports and heavyweight ADV bikes, the CRF 750L targets riders who want real trail capability without sacrificing highway confidence. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a refined 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine tuned for strong low and mid-range torque. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it ideal for technical trails, gravel roads, and long-distance cruising. Honda's updated fuel mapping improves throttle response while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The CRF 750L is available with a standard manual gearbox and an optional DCT for riders who prefer clutch-free control. Multiple ride modes adjust power delivery, traction control, and engine braking, allowing the bike to adapt seamlessly from asphalt to dirt. Built on a lightweight steel frame, the 2026 CRF 750L emphasizes stability and agility. Long travel suspension with adjustable front forks and a rear shock provides confident handling over rocks, ruts, and uneven terrain. The geometry strikes a balance between off-road maneuverability and high-speed stability. Spoked wheels paired with dual-purpose tires reinforce the CRF 750L's adventure-ready nature. Strong disc brakes with cornering ABS deliver consistent stopping power, with off-road ABS settings allowing greater control on loose surfaces. Honda equips the CRF 750L with a modern TFT display offering smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and ride data. LED lighting, cruise control, and advanced rider aids make long journeys more comfortable while maintaining a rugged, functional design. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat ensure comfort during extended rides. A slim midsection improves stand-up control off-road, while wind protection has been refined for better highway touring. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is ideal for riders seeking a true do-it-all adventure bike, capable off-road, composed on highways, and reliable for daily use. It's a strong option for explorers who want versatility without the bulk of larger ADV machines. With improved performance, modern technology, and proven Honda reliability, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L stands out as a well-rounded adventure motorcycle. It's built for riders who want freedom beyond the pavement without compromise. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more motorcycle reviews, previews, and riding insights.